Oh. Alright. You know what? I wonder where my brothers could be on a day like this. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
This just in on
Huh?
Action News. Yes, we did change our
Oh.
name.
Huh.
The boringest news ever.
It's just...
Apparently, the Stuffy Cat Plush Kingdom is not as boring as we once thought. So, this is Cooper here. And I am
Alright,
reporting
Cooper.
today that
Hey, Cooper.
we must be on the lookout as a community for some mysterious
Hi there.
circular, spherical-like man who is wielding some sort of
hi.
vaccine of some sort.
Good to meet you, guy.
It's not a vaccine, it's more of
Wait.
a super
Wait.
soldier
Wait.
serum. Yes,
Wait,
be
do
on
I
the
know
lookout
you?
for that. We want to be
I mean,
100% sure that
do
we
I
are
know
on the
you?
lookout for that.
Oh,
And if you find
well...
it, please bring it back
well,
to the new and improved fusion biology lab.
Wait, no.
Alright?
I gotta check something.
Breaking news.
Okay, I gotta check something real quick. No, mate, I just wanted to have a conversation, alright? Wait. Oh my... oh my gosh! Oh, wow, it's really you! I can't believe I'm here right now. What? You actually know me? Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, of course. How could anybody not know you? I mean, after all you've done for the Stuffy Cat Plush Kingdom, like, how could we not know you? Wow, this is insane that I'm just even here right now. Like, wow, it's crazy to be meeting you right now, sir. Well, I don't know exactly what you're specifically talking about, but it's mighty nice for a pal like you to recognize me once in a while. What do you mean? How are you not recognized more often? I mean, are you like healing back from your wound, or yeah, your wound? 'Cause like I heard that when you were trying to stop the manta and all of that, you got shot. But I mean, of course, it wasn't your fault. I mean, it was the manta's fault. He's the worst. Got shot? Wait. Oh no. Mate, are you kidding me? Oh, what? Did I get something wrong? I'm sorry. I thought that was you, though. The guy who got shot? You... Without that, the Stuffy Cat Plush Kingdom wouldn't... I don't know if it would be the same without your sacrifice, so... What's the deal? That wasn't me. I'm not Bedoy. I'm Bedai, his brother. Wait, what? What did you just say? You're Bedai? Well, you definitely don't look like Bedoy Jr. I mean... Huh. Well, that's weird. Sorry, I guess. I really thought that I found one of the OGs. Come on. Hi there. Good eye, mate. This is me, Bedai. Now, you might not be recognizing me because of my two overly popular brothers, Bedoy, and Bedoy Jr. I am a lot less recognized amongst the Enderman family, and I don't exactly know why. But I kind of understand how they've done a lot more to get recognized in this kind of community. I just always wanted to be recognized. Maybe one day I would be able to become recognized. What am I gonna do now? You know what? I might just take a walk. It's better than just sitting down waiting for somebody to recognize me. Right. Alright. Alright. Where am I gonna go now? Right. Oh, Badoy! Oh, not this again. Badoy, it's so good to see you. I really wanted to talk to you, Badoy. You know, about stuff. It's just one specific challenge that's been on my mind. You know, for Battle for the Victory Plush Island. Oh, mate. Sorry, I'm not Badoy. I'm his brother. You're who? Wait. Are you Badoy Jr.? Oh no. No, mate. I'm Badoy Jr. and Badoy's brother. Oh, sorry about the miscommunication, Badoy. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll be on my way. Have a good day, Badoy. Alright. I wish even Luigi doesn't recognize me. Yes. Oh. But I there, mate. Oh no. Oh, gosh, there, mate. Here, let me lend you a hand. What's the problem, mate? Here, let me help you gather these old things together. There we go. Huh? What? What? There you go, mate. Looks like you dropped these. No, what are you doing? I told you not to. Wait. Huh? Is that who I think it is? Alright. Here you go, mate. Excuse me, sir, but I think I might know you. Are you... No, I'm not Badoy. Oh, Badoy Jr. for that matter. One time, I think maybe something's gonna be better. Alright. False alarm, dude. Well, let's take this back. Hi there, mate. Bet you would be even more memorable than me. No, mate! No, mate! I'm not them. Yeah. I get that a lot, and I know. Think about it, do I actually really look like either of them? I'm sorry, mate, but I ain't either one of them. I'm Bidet. Somebody you probably don't know. Why does this keep happening to me? Months on end. I always can't even make a personality for myself. I'm always overshadowed by those by my brothers. It's hopeless. I can't beat it. It's just hopeless. I really just wanted to make a name for myself at least, but it's hopeless. I have nothing to show. Wait, show, that's it! That's what I've wanted to make a name for myself this whole time, but I've always been too scared and too timid to try it out. That's it. I want to go into show business. Okay. Where's the nearest show place? I gotta find this place. I might actually be able to make a name for myself. I've always wanted to be in show business. This might actually work. Yes, let's go.
And then I said, well, you would have to be absolutely doo-doo to like that.
That wasn't that funny. Yeah, that wasn't really funny.
Yeah, but come on. We could probably see where he's coming from. Like, it was at least kind of decent.
Hey, I actually thought it was kind of funny. Nice job, dude.
Thanks, guys. How about another one? Just for the heck of it, right?
Skeleton, I think it's about time for somebody else to take a turn.
Alright, if you say so. But it's been just so fun.
Alright, so who wants to go next for the comedy night? Or just the show and tell, I guess?
That's a good question. Yeah, that is a good question.
Yeah.
Guys, do you think I could have a chance to perform? Do you think that would work?
Oh, of course, yeah. Have a heck of it. Go, try it out.
Yeah. Try it out, mate. I don't know why I said mate, but you should try it out, yeah.
Thanks, guys. Alright, let's do this. I hope this is good. Alright, everybody. Crap, I didn't really think about what I wanted to do. I'm gonna tell you all a story, alright?
Okay, sure, yeah.
Oh, is it gonna be about the manta? Alright. So, mates, the story that I want to tell you today is a story about, a little boy. He was in a forest once, and while he was in that forest, well, he just stayed in the forest. He made a life for himself for a while until his parents came and found him. It was about 2 hours that he was in that forest, and thankfully nothing encountered him, not even a squirrel. He came home and everything was all right.
he had some mac and cheese for dinner, and, well, to be honest, that's it. How'd you guys like it?
Well, that was boring. Could you try something else, maybe?
Yeah, I almost fell asleep to that one.
Yeah. Can I go back up there, Shy Guy?
Give this guy another chance. Alright. Alright. I thought that would surely work. Here's a magic trick. So you see there's nothing in my hand. If I put it behind my back...
Ooh, is he gonna, like, grab something out of midair?
Ooh, I kinda wanna see this, actually. And when I take it back... Boom! There's double nothing here. How'd you guys like it, mates?
Are you joking with us right now, Bedoy? Yeah, I thought you'd be a lot more funny than this.
Yeah, this is boring. Boo, get off the stage.
Wait, you mates thought that I was a Bedoy this whole time? No, I'm not Bedoy. Dang it. I'm Bedoy, his brother.
It's an imposter! Yeah, get him off the stage! Get him off! Yeah, get him off! We want cooler things than this. This is boring and stupid. Yeah, this is horrible. Get him off the stage. Get him off. Yeah, we don't want to see boring imposters like you. Get off. Ah. Whoever the heck you are, please get off my stage and stop impersonating Bedoy, okay? Get off my stage and leave. I don't really want to see you here anymore. Yeah, get him off! Get him off! Yeah, get off!
What? Get out of here!
Get him off! Get him off! Let him leave! Let him leave! Yeah! Let's go back to the good stuff, alright?
I knew I never had a chance. Just wanted to have a personality outside of my brother's. All I wanted. Why did it have to go like this? Why did I have to be their stupid brothers in the first place? I knew it was hopeless. I knew it. If I'm not cut out for showmanship, then there's nothing here for me. I knew that this was gonna be my demise. Being the brother of two much more popular. To think that I was holding on to a little bit more hope. Wow, mate. That really shows how stupid it was. I'm sure nobody will care if they just see me sleeping on here.
Excuse me, sir. Could you please wake? Before you ask anything, I know. You're neither your brother or your other brother, Bedoy or Bedoy Jr. I know who you are. Who are you? Why are you? How do you know me? This is... How, out of everybody, you know me? Beday, I know you because I know what is in store for you. What are you trying to imply? That I should try to be like my brothers? Like, why are you even here? I came to recruit you, Beday. I came to find you because I knew that you were the only brother of Enderman that would be suitable for this job. You understand what I'm saying? No, not entirely. I don't really understand. Beday, I know you've been overshadowed by your two looming brothers, taking the spotlight from you, your spotlight, and shining it on themselves instead. Why did you have to remind me of that? Because, Beday, I have a way for you to make sure that you will stand out amongst your brothers, that you will be the most important Enderman brother. How would you do this? Quite simply, join my team, where we bring forth a force of nature that will be able to make us known. I know, Beday, what you have in store. You're not just a forgotten Enderman brother. You could be so much more. What are we talking? I mean, super shields here. You could be one of my soldiers. Probably one of the most strong. I don't know what to say. I've always wanted to be recognized, but if this is the only way that I'm recognized, so be it. So be it. Alright, mate. You got a deal. Alright. Where do we start?
The first pure summoner has been selected.